these what is inside. Okay? I never forgot anything. Ta-da! I'm all finished separate. So see, we have to separate so it can be so much nice. Because if we don't separate and just mix it up and we don't know which one we are doing. Yeah. And then you don't know. Yeah. So we are separated. Okay, guys? They are in the pajamas and she is not. She's the big sister. Hi, I'm the big sister. Bunny. This is a bunny. Now, and her beautiful crown. Hey, this is my crown. It's my crown. It's my crown. No, it's my crown. Get your own stuff. No. Hey, you did that.
No fighting. You must share.
Come on, I have it stuff. I'm hungry now. They want warm food and salad, but we don't have a microwave. They only have cold ice to drink. I need salad and a microwave. Ah! No food! See, no! Those are old food. We don't have. We only have coffee.
Inside the wrap.
Old food.
Salad?
That's old food.
Old one. So you need new food. Oh.
Hello guys, I'm buying this new oven with food inside. I need this one also. Let me take it. Oh. Yeah! So heavy. I'm gonna open this. Look guys. Look. We have these. Everything we need is in here. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, some food! Look! We have tomato. Of course, some egg. Chicken and bread, and croissant and beans. And cooking stuff. And let's get for the oven. Let's see what's inside. Hot dog, burger, French fries, and bread. That's it. And a microwave. So these what is inside. Okay? So to eat. Ta-da! I'm all finished separate. So see, we have to separate so it can be so much nice. Because if we don't separate and just mix it up and we don't know which one we are doing. Yeah. And then you don't know. Yeah. So we are separated. Okay, guys? Okay, guys? This is all what we got. We got a microwave and some food and some this and da. And let's open this big one. And we have, okay? So we have two green broccolis, and 2 cabbage, and 2 beans, yum, and 2 chips, yes, silly cabbage, ooh, and a jar. This is for the food. I know. Here's the instructions, and let's open it. So let's buy that. Look, guys! Look in here. It's the stickers. I think this don't go here. This goes there. I'm separating. I will cut.
Which one you will cook?
Salad.
You will cook
does it have in here? Oh, chips! No, chips are not healthy. Remove the chips. 100. One.
What are those?
These?
Tomatoes,
One.
pepper,
Dun.
lettuce.
Okay, let's start cooking it. This one. It's finished done, so I will cook. It's soup. I'm cooking soup. The soup will be yummy. I'll put some eggs. No. Corn. I love soup in the cook with corn. I'm done. It goes in here. I'm finished. Now I will put it in here, in the bowl. Yeah, in the bowl. In the bowl. Here you go. Do you like this food, guys? It's very yummy. Do you want a banana for dessert? Do you like my food?
Soup with banana? Oh! What's the taste?
I'm gonna eat it. Very yummy, you know. It's very yummy. Do you want to taste it?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat it. Yummy?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you. I'll do this. I want some eggs. Yeah, I will make eggs. So, now I need to cut it. Shut the. I'll put it in here. It won't explode when we put it like this. See? It won't explode.
Oh no.
1 minute. It's 1 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'll cut some for my friends. Here you go.
Thank you.
Very good. And orange too. I'll put some broccoli. And I have to cut these. Tomato. 2 tomatoes. 3 tomatoes. And I'm the best cooker. Egg inside. Egg, no.
Egg not included in your soup?
No. It's yucky.
Okay, how about beans?
Yes, it's included. Oops. This one inside. Croissant? No. So those are not included in my soup. This? Hello. I'm done making my soup.
That's the pressure cooker.
I make it very soft now. It's done! Make sure I'm doing it. I'll just take these like this. Hot. Okay, take this. Good. Very yummy. Now I will make egg. It's done. I'm done. I can drink water from the sink. I finished all my water. Look, nothing left. Okay, these are a lot of dishes, so I know. Come down to. This is amazing, look guys. It needs battery, you know, and then you can wash it. Wow! That's how you set it up. I'm getting everything right. Good. Wash it. I don't need something else. Wash this again. I'm washing my hands. Hope you like this video, guys.